시대를 그냥 뭐가 수주어 제주나 된들인가 당 정말 그 자좀 시켰고 네 라다크 몽골이 자델리 소피 쪽네 나타 정말 코네데 구족 스탠드 자체세 이 프렌드십 그룹 가 가능해 버티는 거다 소나고 스군든 죽스테노 되는 거다 발라 된들이 스군은 사찬 되네 आता सेक्रेटरी स्कुन्दुन टुरिज्म एन्ड कल्चर स्कुजाप्सा रोड्रिक स्कुन्दुन जुक्सन ओयाङ तेन्ना सोला मंगोली एडवाइजर टु गभर्नर जी यासङ सेरिङ स्कुन्दुन दाङ तेने अदा नङचोक सिका सिन्दुरजे लाग्रु स्कुन्दुन याङ इका खाजोङ छमन तेन गिन्दुन पल्लान यास्ता छमला गसुजुन Dagista champi marmi chakun kana wala jokun marik mumba kun salti kun ken ishe nawan yur top show jigal tang string sir advisor to Ghana Mongolia Sir Rodriguez Secretary Tourism Culture UT Ladakh Sir Thirindorje Lavrukji, President Ladakh Buddhist Association. अब मैं Nam Surin, the famous theatrist and singer, and Rinpoche Ji.
Sogyul nang Ladakh se Del Score la ika sogdu chunji boti to kate skola goksh mala jare
Ju thui che ten diring ngata lasina ta theng tang po ta Ladakh Mongolia friendship group juste sofa chunji sukste inte ni personal initiative jigin ta yibu stanpo cha che se to ngata sang me rogzat che sinok tene tugisinok ki ngata relation bo se shodelo sospole Mongolia nang chitanta historically ngata jarap sina ma nyu yote no zache tungche sina indo duksa chisa to ngata na del mang project thondu lekin te gyurja chenmo tene bagular mbuche skundun soyula loschu jungsab jukses kabla sonse no tene yede jwa chogla soyule na misama Bombay Mumbai bu shayad samala shesame do Ladakh zangma shesano tuzuk relation jingata na yote no tene ngati I relation bustan pochache se to ata ibo daksa sakpa informal mane chang formal ajushik basis met pin daksa I mo geste tene ma pantun delwa choches la marhande pantor jonche no te diri to chodus pena tene arhanga province governor advisor khonas ko tiotpin khon yam po yang misum te devena artist nis tang yang cultural department head po khonas ko tiotpin tene ko daksa sungshat pena I thundel bo maastan po choches to ko chisa thone ko कोशिश नंग ते समगो चोन जारी बोचेसिन ते योंचे सनी तुसमेना तेन मंगोलिया ने यांग मी मा पुष्क चेसिन गजरे वाचोसे ते खोया मोद गजाइन तेन गवर्नर खोराया तिमा जोस्पा इरुस के चेसे संबातां दुख से जुरक तेना सोगला तेन दिनी का मी मा पुजिस को चमा तपने तुगजे तेने याना मंगोलिया दे स्टाना चेसे प्यांगा जे सो मोल्ला मी जुले तुगजे
Soyarila,
I would also like to take this opportunity to thank my guests from Mongolia for coming all the way to participate in the exposition of the holy relics, Lord Buddha's holy relics, and also to carry forward the vision or ideas of the governor of Arhanga province, Mr. Sri Nanmet, who was actually supposed to come, but due to some very pressing engagement in Mongolia, as I understand that the president of Mongolia was visiting his province, so he could not make it, and he sent his delegation here. Ladakh Mongolia Friendship Group. You know, Ladakh and Mongolia, although far apart geographically, we have very close relationship, so to say, in so many fields. We know that Buddhism is the link that binds us together, but besides the spiritual and religious aspects, we have so many other things in common, which is really interesting. For example, I think it is only outside Mongolia that you see the Mongolian camel. Mongolian camels are known for their, what is it called? The bacterian camels are seen nowhere outside Mongolia, very few in fact. But here in Ladakh we have this in Nubra. We also have in Dishkit Monastery arm relic of a old-time arm relic of a Mongolian hero, which is called Batar in Mongolian. We don't know the background, but what is known is that it is an arm of a hero or a warrior from Mongolia. So there are features that very strangely binds us together. Our food, for example, is very similar. What we eat here and what they eat in Mongolia is almost same. The tea is same, except that they don't have butter in their tea. And so many words are common. For example, button is topchi. We also in Ladakh topchi. We have oyu. Mongolian call it oyu. We say yu, which is turquoise. We have churu, which is coral. They say chur. Our bread is khambir. Their khambir, same. Names are almost same. Like, for example, Mr. Galsan Sering, he's in Ladakh, he would be Galsan Sering. So, taken from, of course, the religious texts and so on and so forth. Kurkum, for example, is saffron. We also say kurkum. They also say this. Then what happened in 1921, as we all know, Mongolia was taken over by the communist forces with the intervention of the Soviet forces, and it became a communist state. And for almost 70 years, it remained a communist country, during which so much happened, destruction. There are some progress in terms of infrastructure, railway, heating, for example, the transportation system, railway network, all done during the communist time, which is very good. But there was also serious erosion of religious and cultural identity of the people there. And this remained so for almost 70 years. He is an artist, a very well-known artist of his province. So thank you all very much once again.
बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया काम चुगले, थैंक यू वेरी मच। न्यान सुरेन और उनके साथी जो है एक भाई और उनसे निवेदन करता हूँ कि तशरीफ लाए और हमें अपना प्रोग्राम पेश करें। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
This is about the friendship ties between Ladakh and Mongolia. We are celebrating that as a part of a celebration that we are having in Ladakh because of the arrival of holy relics of Lord Buddha. I just want to mention a little bit that the relation between India and Mongolia and Ladakh and Mongolia dates back to the era of 19 Kushok Bakula Rinpoche ji, as he rightly mentioned earlier, Mr. Sonam Wangchuk. And then it was further strengthened and carried forward by our own Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji after his visit to Mongolia in 2015. I think a lot of MOU was signed during that period. India is supporting a lot to Mongolia now. I think our relationships are, very strategic and diplomatic, and I think it's getting stronger day by day, I would say. And signing of this MOU was part of that relationship we built over the period with the Mongolia. And I must congratulate and I must extend my good gratitude to Honorable Prime Minister, because this MOU was completely we able to sign because of the intervention of Honorable Prime Minister himself. And I had the opportunity to sign this MOU in front of the Honorable Prime Minister of India as well as the President of Mongolia. And I signed this MOU with the Governor of Arhangai province, Mr. Tsering Natmet. And the objective of signing this MOU was to further strengthen and carry forward the relation of Ladakh and Mongolia, which was actually built up by the late Bakula Rinpoche ji. So we wanted to carry forward it, and we signed an MOU on few important topics, especially to promote the tourism, cultural exchange program, to exchange cultural heritage, education, and there was some other activities that we wanted to carry forward, was the production of livestock products and urban development and any other mutually agreed areas. So the provision of the MOU is very broad and vast. There are a lot of scope that we can work out together with the Mongolia. And I think it is a fortunate, I would say that a small district had the opportunity to sign an MOU with the Mongolia, the biggest province, Arhangai province, and with the governor and in the presence of the Honorable Prime Minister and the President of Mongolia. So that signifies how important the signing of that MOU was. So I just want to say to the House, especially to Mr. Roderick, after that, because there was a provision for working out on joint working group. We were supposed to be forming a joint working group so that this MOU will, further, carry forward. That not happened as on date now, and so I think today in this occasion I would like to request you also, because tourism is your subject matter now. I think in Union Territory, I think all the different department has to come together, and we need to work out how to carry forward this MOU. So I've been told by Mr. Sonam Wangchuk that you are also meeting the Honorable Lieutenant Governor or the Chief Secretary right after this. So I would request you also to at least request him to work out on the formation of joint working group. I think that is the primarily I think it is important so that we can work out on this MOU. I will also request, and I'm requesting you also, Mr. Roderick, and I think this is very important MOU, and I think it is a first MOU, international MOU, and that too endorsed by both the countries and countries' top leaders. I think hardly any districts has such kind of MOU. So this MOU is very meaningful and very important, and we really need to work very hard on this MOU and achieve the objectives and the purpose of signing of this MOU. So that said, I think we look forward for a very better and more meaningful relationship with Mongolia in future, and I just want to convey to the friends of Mongolia headed by the advisor of Governor of Arhangai. Thank you on behalf of the people of Ladakh, and thank you for coming to Ladakh, and thank you for being part of this celebration of the arrival and exposition of Holy Buddha's relics in Ladakh. And I've also been told that very soon the disciple relics will also be traveling to Mongolia. So that is also a very good news, and we share a very good relation, and I pray that this relation she further gets stronger and stronger.
다시 ярьцаараа гэдэг сүүл рүү бид
Бүгдийн ярьж
тийм
байгаа.
бүгд ярьж.
Энэ орцоо арай хүрлцэн ирсэн ноёд хадагтай төр засгийн удирдлагууд гандан тэгчлэг хийдийн хамт лам захирагч нар та бүхэндээ энэ сайхан орой мэндийг хүргье.
आखिर में मैं तमापत के एक श्लोक से ये प्रोग्राम का आखिरी पेशकश आप लोगों के सम्मुख रखना चाहता हूँ। बन खुद अपना ही चिराग राह बन खुद अपना ही चिराग बन राह रहनुमा तेरा हो खुद तेरा चलन मा खचन मोला जाते नो यू कंगता लागलिन जात गोस्तिन क्या ने दोजस्तक मोले ने कोने ठोपा तेने ngata jambe ka sewang paldan le damnya ne ka andu kigu keyboard ka rigzin gitmet nija samko jua pulat tenis junglu sal nang jabrek sal ajat